Hello, beautiful people. So much gratitude. So much gratitude to be here. So much gratitude to share. So much gratitude to bring all of you into. This earth, this sweet mother is so unconditionally loving, so nurturing, so willing to give all that she has to sustain you, to help you grow, to help you thrive. She just provides in every moment, in a million different intricacies, in so many facets, in every tiny little aspect of this tapestry that comes together. She's there, she's willing, she's waiting for her children to come back to her, to sit with her, to nestle into her breast and be with her, and let her heal you, let her rebalance you. That is what she is here for. Let her restore your natural rhythms. She knows the way. She knows the way. Yeah. It's time now. It's so time. Us women, in particular, need her nourishment. We need her to restore our beautiful, fertile, natural cycle of our body and of our spirit, of our sisterhood, of our beautiful connection. Mosquitoes. The one little peril that gets you in this life. Not really. They're part of the fun. It's time now. Sisterhood is rising. And we're ready to come together. We need to come together. We've had too much time in competition, in separation, one above the other. No more of that. No more of that. It's time for the sisters to come together, to meet, to gather, to share wisdom, to share stories, to raise each other up, let each other become the most whole version of ourselves we can be. Magic occurs when sisters meet. Yep. The earth smiles. And as you touch her, so she fills your body with wisdom that you may pour out unconditionally to everyone else in that beautiful, beautiful cycle. Giving, receiving, giving and receiving. And it never, ever ends in all of your time here. And we're just so blessed to be here in the first place. This planet is so filled with magic, so filled with wonder, so filled with ancestry, with history. We know now what doesn't work, what isn't making her flourish, her thrive. Industrialization. We've gone too far. We're beautifully innovative. We've evolved these minds that we may create wonder, magic technology that can connect us all into this World Wide Web. And that is incredible, absolutely incredible. We can know what anyone is doing within seconds. And it's a magic thing. But it shouldn't distract us from grounding, stepping barefoot down onto her, walking with her, listening to her creatures, being with them too, watching them, respecting them, honoring them as no lower than you. The ancient ones knew the way. They do know the way still, and they're ready and willing now to share because they know it's crisis now, it's breaking point. The earth needs the love back. She needs the ceremony. She needs the ritual. She needs the support to keep her strength alive, to restore her to her full vitality, that she may keep giving and giving and giving to all in their fullest amounts so that human life can thrive here. This is why so many aren't thriving, because they don't know her, they don't know her spirit, they don't know her creatures well, they don't know her elements and all the spirits that guard them. They all have wisdom to share if you tune in enough. And I am here, I know I am here as a messenger for her, that her messages move up through my being and out through here, that I channel them straight out to all of you, whoever is drawn naturally to these words is ready to receive them. I trust that, and I trust that this will be shared. I think the main daily integration and groundedness of all of this knowledge is ritual. Little rituals that just shift your consciousness. Not all in one go, because maybe that's a bit too expansive as we're just reintegrating to her natural rhythms and to her magic. But I'm just going to keep showing you more and more ways that you can connect deeper with sweet Mother Gaia, Pachamama, our beautiful mother, Madre. She is so all-knowing, so wise. So I'm going to start a series of videos, each with a different topic. A lot to do with ritual and gratitude and rebalancing your body and your spirit entwined into harmony. Because what are we here for if not to thrive and to heal? We all know that at the heart of it. We all know this is the way. We all feel her magic at some point, even if it's just enjoying a piece of her fruit. Her miraculous, divine, incredibly delicious bounty that she so lovingly provides. Yeah, even if it's just a piece of fruit, or just really taking deep breath and recognizing the nutrients in that, and that you can be sustained and fulfilled and nurtured just by breathing in her air in a natural surrounding. So this is just an opening up of that, and I'm wholly committed to this. I am here. I'm ready to be seen. I'm ready for any questions, for any guidance. I am here. I know that now is the time, and I am here to step up and be that messenger. So anything you need, I am willing. Any form of healing, any guidance, I'm here. And I am deeply, deeply honored and humbled to be in service to anyone who needs. That I may be strengthened and nurtured through that too, the giving and receiving, never without, always filled. So thank you for watching this video. I hope to interconnect with you, whoever you are, wherever you are. It's not of the issue. It's just that you're here listening to this now. And it's a smooth upward ascension from here to your true source, to your true balance, earth balance. Thank you, beautiful light ones. So much love and gratitude.